Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today looking at the Welkeeps. Oh, look at the bear with the hat. He's so cute. KF94 for kids. I love the packaging. Seems like a legit KF94. Let's get it in the clamper and see what we can do. Now, why do I say, oh, that is cute? Oh my gosh. The bear continues. Oh, I did not expect that. What a treat, Welkeeps. So why do I say seems like a legit KF94? Well, because we've been finding a bunch of Chinese fakes on Amazon, which is crazy because a couple months ago there just weren't any KF94s on Amazon. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. We are testing using the N95 NIOSH test here to see if it meets the 94 that the KF94 stands for. Now, a couple of quick tips if you're looking for a fake on Amazon. The individual packaging with the, when it opens up, it's got this metallic inside. It's a barrier layer. It's a very expensive mask or a package to make. And so we found that China doesn't make those, when they're packaged together, typically that's gonna not have a good score on here, and it's not gonna be a very good mask. Let's do the test. Oh my God, these are so strong lately. I've been getting very lucky on these. I love the design. This is very cute. Nose wire is amazing. Get this on my big face. Big face for a 4 to 9-year-old, that is. Whoa, that's weird. Little psychosomatic thing going on here with the birthday bear, but I swear to you, it almost smells like frosting. So this is the best smelling KF94 I've ever had. I wonder what they did for that. That's interesting. Looking on here, Korean melt blown filter, brand new and sealed packages. There's an ear hook, which is nice. They put this little ear hook on here. It helps for my daughter, youngest daughter, she's 7. You hook that on the back of the mask, it gives a tighter seal if it's just a little bit too big for her. Let's move on over to the machine. Look at that! 99.46 with a breathability of 134. With that smell, birthday bear, that's my go-to KF94 for kids. I had another good one in here just a minute ago, but the Welkeeps birthday bear, that mask, that's pretty good. 99.488, 99.488. Welkeeps, you keep up the good work. Keep making that birthday bear protect kids. Oh, that's a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has been entertaining, or you learned something, or you end up buying this mask because of this review. And I will catch you on the next test, which we're doing every day. Yes, every day. We're crazy here. Please hate money and time. 10 a.m. tomorrow. See you then. Bye-bye.